Live. Share it. Brando. Yeah, go have it. Make we talk. Make we talk, people. Make we talk. Make we talk, people. Make we talk. Tell me over here. Make we talk. When I hear me good? When I hear me? Tell me if when I hear me there. Tell me if when I hear me there, people, cause yeah, man, I'm cool down myself. Yes. Tell me if when I hear me there, people. Brando, you hear me? Alright, now you hear me. Chef, big up yourself. Jess, big up yourself. Slick Boss, big up. Shanti. Yes. Dancehall Gorilla. Bobby. All of our people. Alright, people. How far with this morning fit? All a reason. Celebrity TV. Looking at a crowd. All guys of the whole world. Tony Mix. No, you wait for your thing. Looking at a crowd. Tony, big up. First and foremost, people, I have to congratulate my boss, my general, my dopes, my brother, Vybz Kartel, for achieve what him deserve. Him deserve it. The crown. He worked very hard for it. Very hard. And Stunner, big up. I'm going to be frank this morning. 100 Nelson. See? Slick Boss. I'm going to be frank with you this morning. Real. Bill up. Share, people. Share all of the people. Come here to talk. Congratulations to my boss. We have a talk. Make we raise. People, make we raise. Congratulations. Not because I am close and I am there. Congratulations to Vybz Kartel. Well done. And it's great for big up Sunfest. Wonderful job. Great job. The acknowledgement was well accepted by the people. The acknowledgement of Sunfest and the acknowledgement of the whole entire Jamaica fans. But me have something to say. A lot of entertainer grudge your Vybz Kartel. A lot of entertainer hate your Vybz Kartel. A lot of entertainer not glad for what you achieve and receive. Sharon, big up yourself. See? Enough entertainer, I don't see them congratulating you for this success. Enough of the entertainer them nah congratulate you. Nah show you no love. Them not happy for you. Me a man when me talk, them vex. But me just start the fucking truth. I mean I talk nothing but the truth. Them not happy for you, me general. Them not happy for you. You come out, you get visa, you're there foreign, you move up and down and I hear you talk it. Not even you yourself believe say you then get a visa. Not even you yourself believe say you then get a visa. You on the stage you talk it. You put on your testimony. You're putting down your testimony about what you got through. And dancehall was on a chokehold where Afrobeat beat it Beat it. Afrobeat, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Burna Boy and all that people them come out and them a beat it. That's Jamaica. We know how Jamaica stay a long time. When we say a star, born and rise, other countries, we will want to see them. See? Yo, Afrobeat, beat dancehall, and all of you know what it outside, free and can do one and I do. Me attack every blood clot entertainer. Me not give a fuck who you be. Like me now, like me yesterday, or like me tomorrow. I don't give a fuck. I see Vybz Kartel, him come out, come save fucking dancehall. From go down in a pit and on the pussies. What's on our entertainer? I don't give a fuck who you wanna be. On the pussies, what's on our entertainer? On no love him, on no rate him, and him come blood clot save the Jana. From down in a hole. And the whole on the blood clot out. What need that do? All of you know we had shut up on the mouth and a run. On the mouth and a go on. You not happy for the blood clot G. You not happy say him get crown. You not happy say him come out. Me the blood clot tell in a long time say dance all that jail. You not think a joke? Eh? You know some set of pussies. I mean I give a fuck. Who you want be? All of you entertainer never happy for Kartel. Go suck out on a sour mama. Me, Nuffy no give a fuck. Can me see that? Me no blind. Uno no blood clot love him. Uno no love for what him do. Go suck out on no mama. You all a uno. We no happy for Vybz Kartel. Well deserved crown. Me talk frank. Me know me not have a problem with Beenie Man. You know why me not have a blood clot problem with Beenie Man? Because you think it's easy to pass Beenie Man and get that blood clot crown. You think it's easy to pass him and Kartel laps Beenie Man 3 times. Me, as the MC, where host every big show. No pussy host show around here like me. No boy, no girl host no show around here like me. Me host the most big show everywhere. See me go tap the blood clot line a wireless there. Who make me reach there? Vybz Kartel. I mean, I just tap just because him make me reach there. Him know dancehall. And me is blood clot dancehall MC. King MC. Like how him are the king bomber clot DJ. And Spice are the queen. See? Uno look up pussies. Now no respect. Uno look up shit bag. Now no blood clot respect. You think it's easy to pass Beenie Man? You think it's easy to pass Beenie Man? Eh? And Kartel laps Beenie Man 3 times. You see after Kartel, there will be no more king. And me can tell Uno that. Because none of you run up on the mouth and a try. Uno not work. Sing few look a song have look a blood clot song. You think I pass Beenie Man? You think it's easy for Beenie Man pass Yellow Man? Eh? You think it's easy for blood clot Beenie Man pass Yellow Man? You think it's easy for Kartel pass blood clot Beenie Man? And Kartel laps Beenie Man 3 times. And no Beenie are the problem. And on no pussies with bad mind. Eh? And no Beenie are the problem, you know. I mean, no Kartel not a problem with Beenie Man, you know. Kartel don't have a problem with Beenie Man, I know that. Me around him and me know that. Me no blind. Eh? Me don't want nobody tell me that dancehall. Kartel I do dancehall. Pussy hole don't chat too much. Me go get to every point. Cause me go get to that Rasta boy there. That shot him out bad mind Rasta boy there when he chill. Me soon reach to him. Bad mind. He's the most bad mind person I ever see. But now, what you worry about Kartel and bands for? Kartel don't need a bands. Dancehall start from pussy clad, music, vinyl pan blood clad, whatever, record pan pussy clad. Me don't know what's it name, because I don't even know. Turntable. See? And that's where it start from. Kartel no need no bands. Kartel I do bands long time. I mean host every show, you know. I if you come talk, you know, because I host every show. Me know about crowd, me know about crowd control, me know about everything when it come on to dancehall. Him no need no band. Cartel not have to use no ban. Fuck ban. You go like that, change no game. You know, say Cartel not use no ban. I want to sell out the arena then. He might not sell out the arena. I want to sell out the stadium then. And he might do it everywhere and go. Look how much blood clot people come at Sunfest this year. When last Sunfest is 25,000 people. Our artists depend the last year and year before. I want to pull blood clot, not even 15,000. Not even 12,000 I couldn't pull. Because Joe called me and tell me, you know, oh my God. But you can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about my Sunfest. Eh? Move on a blood clot and go, man. On a bad mind, a blood clot. All you know, Jahshii. Poor blood clot you. Before you mind your own business. You get your look of blood clot chance with Silk Bass. Eh? Look at hungry belly Jahshii. You get your look of blood clot chance with Silk Bass. If you got a career in your hand. All you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck like a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your look up blood clot, fall back and go. Eh? You know about dancehall? You know about dancehall? You think it easy to pass blood clot being the man and Kartel, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it again. He said, after that king, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Because you not do no blood clot work. You not work. You not work. After blood clot Kartel, no more king. Me know coming no dancehall. All I know we are sing and DJ. You don't know dancehall like or no. Me not have to sing and DJ. Me know it. After Kartel, no more king. Because the work with Kartel put on. You couldn't do that. You have more blood clot time for find work do. You have more time for find work do. You go work. Blood clot. Look how much love Mr. Kartel show Jahshii when him come out. Look how follow back a blood clot. Follow back a people. Blood clot. Every tail you follow back a man call up on stage. And you get your career, if you take your career. And you see one year, so out of your mouth, I tell boom boom, say you go like you're Nuffy. And Nuffy are the real MC, but that is not the problem with me and boom boom, nah, nothing at all. See, you're sure, you have a little thing about it. But you get your one and dash you away. Before you take the little clash with you and Silk Bass. That's his dancehall. And that you did for do. Instead of you that day today, them they even book you for doing a blood clot Sunfest, but you're going up there and try disrespect. Real G. Pussy all you know about Kartel work. Eh? You think it's a party shop get him to be the king? Eh? You think a party shop get Kartel being the king of dancehall? Eh? All of who did that chat up them mouth. You can't pass Beanie Man. Because all no pass Beanie Man. How tell you say you're not king? Me look pound and tell you say you're not king. When I work for kingship, you think that's a king go? Over no blood clot, but not bad artist. Bad artist is my blood clot. When if you have bad artists can't have fan base. And have them fan base and control. You not left no mark. No way want to go perform. No way. You not blood clot left no mark. No way want to perform. Nobody not talk about you no want to perform. You not boring no blood clot. I want to know. You not ramp with me general, you know. The man get him bumbo clad crowd, you know. I'm man of the pussy clad king. Because you no pass blood clad Beanie Man yet. And I laps Beanie Man 3 times in a game. And you know, and a Beanie Man are the people and a Beanie Man are the problem. Are the pussy them when I happy for car. You know how long I tell him that? Kartel a long time I tell you. Addy a long time I tell you. Addy a long time a blood clot tell you. Say them pussy will not like you. Them not like you. Them never want you come out. And you come save dancehall. Them never want you get no visa. The pussy hold them a visa and them couldn't do nothing. Afrobeat a drown them. Me not give a fuck. You don't have to like me. Me no want to not like me because they done they like me already. You don't defend me. You know so the blood clot G defend me. Eh? You know so the G deal with me. A real blood clot G. Him know Nuffy are the real king of dance. I did that tell you no long blood clot time. Say Nuffy, I king MC. Him know the game. No man no come show no blood clot respect and tell the G thanks. Me see G show no pure love. Nothing but blood clot love. All me I try to tell him enough time. And him I say Nuffy, anything you say goes, you know. You see the youth them, big up the youth them, you know. Me big up the youth them, you know. No put on the page and say congratulations, Kartel. Go on. Una not like me, you know. Una not chat to me. Come in, I want chat to you. Una not like me. Una not see me. Una not talk to me. Me no want talk to you. Kartel proof to you all you know. See a girl, you know that girl and Nuffy. I'm sit down and watch you. I don't want to play hypocrite with them now. Una not call to me. I don't want to call to me. I don't care. Move on the blood clot. Kartel me I deal with that. Him me say. Because when I go call to me, I go like, you don't like me and rate me. You don't rate me. You don't blood clot rate me. Him rate me. Improve. You know, me sit down and me I watch and me I sit down and me I watch. Kartel, you blood clot rate Nuffy. Me and a pussy, you know. Me and a pussy. Pussy will not be hypocrite with me. And me blood clot no. And me just hold it. A Kartel rate me. Him rate me. Him blood clot rate me and prove too no. Same rate me. Bumbo clot. You don't understand this thing and you dance all. And the man of the man. That me I tell you. And the man of the man. You see me? And him of the blood clot man. You don't come send no congratulations. You don't tell the man thanks. Nothing at all. You don't show me. Be the man is not the problem. I'm sure not the Kartel don't have a problem with being the man. You hear me tell you? But none of you know. Me don't give a fuck what you want to say. Whether you want to like me or not like me, dog. Kartel go on a song and bust and let him. I don't care, you know. I don't care what you want to say or what you want to do. And the J. You don't come out and come tell a man thanks. You don't tell a man thanks. You don't say, Kartel, boy, rare, but you don't come out and come go like say on a blood clot. You don't can't save dancehall. If I want alone dancehall, dead. See? If I want alone dancehall, dead. Dancehall UK, big up. Look at these people. The big, me watch them, you know. Because I know dancehall, I watch them, you know. And I see them do what they do, you know. One time when you go some place with them hide from you. And go on like them don't want to see you. I watch them, you know, and I laugh. And big up, you know. Big up yourself, deck. And I watch them and I laugh and I say, pussy hole. I feel like, yeah, some of them show them and make a look of money, you know. Pussy hole and money on your praise. If a money Kartel, let that blood clot praise. Dancehall, couldn't they wait there? A man come out and a show and say, what can go higher and better and bigger? Show the G some love. The man getting crown and none of you post him. And this me I tell him about a long time. None of you post him. None of you say congratulations. But you don't want to play hypocrite with him. You don't want to come play hypocrite. People, I don't have a problem with being a man. I know Kartel not a problem with being a man. I know being a man have a problem. And the rest of pussy old DJ boy and DJ girl them. Levels the man set. Move on a bad mind, blood clot. I look at dirty Rasta one named Chin come at all of a sudden start tell people about OF, host and DJ and MC and this and that. Start to be a oh now mash up the culture. Rasta boy, you keep clash all these blood clot and dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dread boy. Go wash your locks, you stink like. Chin, Irish potato looking locks, dread dirty. Go wash your dirty dread. Dirty dread, Irish and chin, dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dirty dread. Blood clot every day you come chat. Go ahead, found alone dance all the back way. Dread boy Irish and chin me attack. If you alone dance all the back way. Every day you come and chat up in a blood clot mouth. Every day you come and chat up in the mouth. But Kartel, you never have nothing to talk. Eh? On no can't give him no advice. Him full of sense. Nuffy there, me there, TJ there, Scatter there, Harvey there, Lenny there. He all out with there, Sus there. He all out with there to support the G. Mooney there. He all out with there. Big up all of the girls with their around the thing. He all out with there to support the G. No, love the blood clot G. But you hold on with it, you hold on now on yourself. When you no blood clot boss, when you never boss, and him, you not rely upon forget a song with. Move on using blood clot. Me not give a fuck, you know. Cause you no pay me at the general. I'm in a Vybz Kartel cause of money. A years we apart. Me know the struggle with him. Me know the struggle. Me know the struggle with Kartel. Me know where my forward from. 3 times the man laps Beanie Man. But I no Beanie Man had the blood clot problem. I own a bad mind DJ boy and DJ girl. On a blood clot bad mind. I hate the G for the fucking crown. Him deserve it. Him deserve it. Blood clot donor. Him deserve him crown. The man deserve him crown. Bad mind DJ boy and girl. Bad mind DJ boy and girl. Bad mind DJ boy and girl. Suck up on the sour mama. Him work hard beat. One of them tell the man congrats a blood clot lation but to come out. All you follow back a blood clot, Joshua follow back a peer man. Just to call up on stage. Before you go mind your own business. Yo, me have to defend Kartel. Me have to defend Kartel. Look at me there. Wireless. 50,000 people. Me soon you know. I don't see me. Bless up my brother Popcorn. Try all the way a Gaza. Nothing no change. As much as we have to look at one difference, but nothing no change. Him call me and say, Nuffy, forward. I'm a forward and him show me pure love. Because all the way a Gaza. Right now. No matter how you see the local conflict in the Gaza blood clotting, brother. And nothing. A one general. And him come out and I show pure love. And on a bad mind. On a bad mind. And not being the man I problem. Being the one I have no problem with you. We just know say your crown just gone. Because the crown where you have, the crown they about one. The crown they about 120,000. The crown of a Kartel have $1 million crown. Different crown. I want to have a problem with Beanie. Beanie, we don't have a problem with you. Beanie, you have a problem. And me I tell you, I want you to listen to me again. You see, after Vybz Kartel, there will be no more dancehall king. And remember me promising and telling you that this will go down in history. I lost pussy clot dancehall king this. Put this in on a cranium pussy wall. I lost king this. This is the last blood clot king of dancehall. After him there will be no more. Remember me telling you that. You think it's easy to get crown? You think it is easy to pass Beanie Man? You think Beanie Man is a squab for pass? You think Beanie Man did easy for pass? One of the things that Beanie Man did easy for blood clot pass. Him never easy. And Kartel laps him 3 times. Remember me telling you that blood clot. Kartel laps him 3 blood clot times. I don't know no blood clot respect. I don't go I don't have to like me because I don't have to do nothing for me. A general. Looking at the arena them. The man has sell out every arena. Almost 16 show we do already, you know. Almost 16 show we do. One of them no work on a Trinidad. Who else are they? Oh, Costa Rica. No work on it at the back over. Eh? History. History I make. Every arena the man sell out, brother. Every arena we go in, me have my own place. Then give me my own room. Mr. Kartel come out and give Jahshii prayer love. You come on stage, you can follow back a blood clot, full boy. You get your chance to bust with Silk Bass and you dash away. When me say, go and go clash Silk Bass. And this you're not going to clash Silk Bass. If you follow back a man, if you come talk about crown and boot and this and that. Eh? And that you come on stage, you come do. Eh? Fool no pussy clad. Get your own career and dash away. Eh? Go look for Silk Bass and that if you do. And rewrite the blood clot thing with your name. And make you can come have you as one of the little youth and me usually say, Bumbo clad. See the next youth that we can come mash up dance hall like Kartel. You make them trick your blood clot. Tell you say, oh, that no good. Because them no want nobody else in his space. You fool. Them trick you. Jahshii, them trick you. Come to that. Me call you, me DM me and tell you, you know. Say, your Silk Bass need to go at it. This is how dance all work. Kartel do it. Any man else not do it, you know. All you see them a blood clot go on and I worry about the little money what them a make or whatever what them a do. Them now go be no king. If we not do the right thing, if we not clash and have no beef in the right way, and our uncle to be a subliminal and not call nobody name, uno not going to be no king round here. I tell you, I promise you that. Uno not going to be no king. One king. After Kartel, there will be no more king. After Vybz Kartel, there will be no more blood clot dancehall king. The man come out and save dancehall a drone. Dancehall a drone and the whole on outside. The whole on outside, I'm telling you, say dancehall lock up. I say dancehall lock up people who want to fucking idiot. When I make all queen of them and the whole of them, I'll meet a fear of a join it. Because I can't do no better, but me have to just try to join the wagon with them. To make people see that's me can't get to talk and me couldn't know say dancehall lock up for sure. You know, see everybody lay to rest. And TikTok at them the one side. Roll Dog then career done and Swiftly then career done over the side there. You not see on the blind? And for Kartel forward, look at what man a do. History create, look at what the man doing. Every arena. Which dancehall artists that do that? Big up Shaggy and Sean Paul, but what Kartel a do, them not do. Them never did that do it. Them go up on tour and do what them a do and get and you can name a number. Because we see it. And most of the way them do a festival. Coming a blind. But Kartel one headline every arena. Vybz Kartel as a solo dancer artist headline. Which one I know? Tell me where I run on them out and not tell the man congratulations. I say yes, king. We'll find a king. But you know now no blood clots. You know why you not do it? Because you have a look of money now. You can't buy pussy here and there. You can't buy a house now. You can't buy a car now. You come and tell about you rich. Eh? I can't tell you that blood clot will hype and forget rich. Eh? We care about you rich. You say what's you know we Jamaican already not care about if nobody want rich, yes or no. Eh? A Kartel is a blood clot king. We not gone around Africa yet. Around England and wait for a way. And every show where man go, Tartola, Barbados, Bahamas, St. Kitts, Guyana. You understand? Barclays, back to back. See? Where we go this around Atlanta. We go Jersey. We are going to Baltimore this week. Look how much people come to Sunfest. A bumper to the bumper down at Sunfest. 25,000 Kartel pull out. And only the dip on the show last year and the year before and the other year we passed. Only couldn't pull out that crowd, so go suck on the mama. Show the man some blood clot love and respect. And a Beanie Man of the blood clot problem. It's not Beanie Man. We don't have a problem with Beanie Man. Because uno no pass Beanie yet, you know. And Kartel laps Beanie 3 times, you know. Uno no boy, uno chat him out DJ boy and DJ girl. Uno no pass Beanie yet. Because Beanie no easy for pass. Beanie no easy for pass. And Kartel laps him 3 times. 3 times. Me in a dance hall, me know it. Uno can't tell me nothing, you know, come on the biggest stage them, you know. And Vybz Kartel tap it off for them and make sure. Yo, I can sit down and talk. I don't want to get miserable. Wireless. Germany. There's no... Let me talk about Kartel. Kartel is great. Me and Kartel, we no rehearse, we no do nothing. We just go to dance hall. Me and him not call him the day before and nothing and say this we are going to do. We don't do that none at all. Kartel know me know him. From rah days, Nuffy a host as the MC, the man will build the vibes. Him know that. Me and Kartel no rehearse. Kartel no question nothing about me. Me no question nothing about him. If one little glitch in where we talk, where we go after the show, I went in our room, we talk about it, we drink and talk about it, and then we're done. Next show. We no rehearse, we no talk. Me no call Kartel and discuss nothing. And mainly me and Chrome or Ricky Platinum, me will just talk what we are showing and me will ask them, say, what you think about this? Me will plan this, or me will say this, and then we say, Nuffy, do this and do that. That's the only thing. And look how we are mash up the world everywhere, the man sell out every arena. Post the wall on a bad mind. Bad mind on a blood clot bad mind. Bad mind, and you can't tell me nothing. I watch on the end, come with around one day, and a bad mind and a blood clot, and want him crown. The after Kartel, there will be no more king in dancehall. Me Nuffy say that blood clot without apology. Come and see someone eat the blood clot, G. On no respect the G. On no tell the G, say, yo, congratulations. On no come out. No man. Kartel and Nuffy and Spice one day on the stage. Nobody no bombard the stage as artists. Nobody no left on where them there. If you say, or put on them page or anything, none at all, and say, congratulations, Kartel. A true living king in dancehall. Brando. Me sit down and watch them. Who not talk about them rich and who not talk about them a bad DJ. A bad DJ, me blood clot. Who know them bad DJ, who never go to go clash. Who know Kartel walk up and down from PC. Who know when him blood clot, both mouth long. Who know when time him pants well tight. Who know when him mad there with Aller. Who know when him mad there with Shorty. Who know when him blood clot just start bleach. Who know when him a walk in my yard, him and pepper them. And cook them and the whole of them. And as my dance done, my mother pack round there so. Him eat out tight. You don't know nothing about Kartel? If Kartel work for this blood clot. Him walk up and ask Highway and Fiction and the whole of them. Kartel walk out the whole of blood clot Portmore. Him fight. You think it's easy to pass Beanie Man to get this crown? None of them no reach Beanie Man levels neither. Kartel laps Beanie Man 3 times. Remember me know the history of dancehall and me I host everyone I show. From Champion in Action, Island Explosion, Spring Break, Spring Bling, Sunfest, Sting. And me I host, me and all I war them. Me and I war from Blood Clot, Merciless Kill Beanie Man and Bounty Killer and Blood Clot Ninja Man. And me I host. And me host the show. And me host the show. It's me host them show there. Me and I have a war. Me and I have a clash. Kartel work. Him go girl, him go social media, social commentary, him go bad man. Him clash. The most controversial artist. Kartel is our Michael Jackson today. Is our Bob Marley today. This is an experience. This book have to write. This is a true experience. We all know we're going to have bad mind and critics, but bad mind and critics. When you're bad minded and critiquing, please say, okay, I don't like Vybz Kartel, but he's one of the greatest. And he's the greatest in dancehall now, in his time. Him only did want a collaboration with Bumblewall, a Vybz Kartel. So I go and go tell a friend, come in now watch me about 400 hard. Go tell a friend and a friend, blood clot them. Me not sit down and watch you now try this the general. I'm not saying nothing after I'm in a blood clot pussy. Eh? I not try this the G. Eh? I not try, yo. I not go show some blood clot respect. Have some manners. You know, guess what? African Rap and Cartel around there. That's another movement. Me sure now Mavado try to wait right now for this Mavado Cartel tour. If Cartel not make no noise, it can't happen. If him not ready, it can't happen. Big up Muffy same way. But me just a try showing the fucking facts. Eh? That me I try showing, brother. Real talk. I mean, I want to come and go and like say, the man getting crowned, I want to not show no respect. Eh? Cartel is the only man afraid of the media. Cartel just mash up Sunfest. Bring out 25,000 people. When you look Cartel, I post something else different on him page. Plus when post. Eh? Baltimore, the 26 people. We outside. The man come save dancehall because it was in a chokehold by blood clot Afrobeat. Eh? It was in a chokehold by Afrobeat. Eh? Cartel. Big up. Cartel. You're my boss, you're my general. You see the space right now where you see me inner people? Cartel make it possible. The space where me inner is not all about money. The position where I hold right now, doing what I do on stage, Vybz Kartel hands down, brother. Let me tell you what Kartel does, you never know. When Kartel are forward as a youth, and I'm forward a Rara, and run a PC, I was the prominent youth in my community, dancing, playing football, and everybody know me. See, I was one of the youth that were very popular by Video Maniac, Gary, seeing we over Waterford, dancing, Daisy, big up, all these things. See, I was the more popular person in the community. For Waterford, for Gregor Park, them close to Christian Pen, for Newland, I was, because the popular people was Fajo was the MC, and then you have, Look Wicked was one of the popular youth them in the era as a DJ. See? One of them youth there. But when my popularity started as a youth from school, Campbell days and them things, but move on. Being around Aurora and Cartel, them youth come over him and Pepper and Look at 12 and all of them in the DJ business. 7 West, Portmore, Gregor Park native. See? I was a popular person. I was the man who on the stage bringing the vibes. I was the man who had create the vibes. For Vybz Kartel, Baby Wayne, all of them artists there. See? I was the vibes. See? So Kartel know who I am. You know the person who me is. See? Me I bring the vibes for him from morning. So, respect to Vybz Kartel for remember say, yo, this is a Nuffy. When me a youth and me never reach nowhere yet now, me I try to be the star there. He might bring the blood clad vibes to the stage show. So the man make a choice and say, yo, me can't left Nuffy. If me go travel the world and Nuffy, me I travel the world and Nuffy, because Nuffy know the vibes and know everything. Me not have to work with Nuffy. Me not have to tell Nuffy nothing, because me never did that tell Nuffy nothing long time. Nuffy know what to do for bring the vibes. So when we come on the stage, we'll mash up the place. That's what Vybz Kartel know about me. Big up Tommy Thompson. Big up every day. Big up playing same way. And me get the opportunity to dip on them stage show there. And when me dip on the show them before them and I promote, but like big up yourself same way. When me I promote them, when me dip on the show and them not dip on it, me I promote them and say some artists over Portmore, Spice, the whole of them. Because Spice I'm a student, you know. My student that, you know. And me Biller, and me Bossar, I'm a student that. And Vybz Kartel come out and see me and her in our argument. Because I know everything and he will tell you, enough to do all of the job. I'm a student. Regardless she's a woman, and I don't know she's here, and I have that understanding. And Kartel squash the thing, and we're good again. But it's not like, say, me have her up or me no. We do what we have to do and she do what she have to do. We respect our ways about how we go about the whole situation, and she want her space, me hold my space. See? She hold her space, me hold my space. Kartel calm it, everything good. Me and her in one room, me and her share one stage, we do what we have to do. If me have to say Gracie, and she say Nuffy, me hug her, she hug me, she go her ways, me go my ways. We don't have no problem. See? That's a shatter movement, big up Shatter Wally. See? So, Vybz Kartel, come out. You know me not like, I don't know. The youth come out and I say peace. The youth come out and I say love. And I preach love to everybody. And somehow on the one side, since a black man can't tell me and black man no like blood clot peace and black man no like calmness, black people, oh no, we own fucking kind. Me tell you where white man see, that's why I manipulate pan we. White man see how we operate. I want to make the white man them manipulate with blood clot because we have something about one way is not good. So white man use him brain pan way and trick some away. That's we hate each other. And me not blame the blood clot white man for that. Because a long time me upon this blood clot earth and I watch how black people separate the white folks them separate them. But if you left with naturally by ourselves, you can identify. So we have some dirtiness in our way. See? You can enough of them never want him come out. Enough of them never want Kartel come out. You not go on like a blood clot Kartel one go to prison. A Kartel one go to prison? Prison you make with dog? Alright. A Kartel one. A Kartel this. A Kartel that. A Kartel. Move on the blood clot and go, man. You not go like a Kartel one blood clot. Look on Donald Trump. How much problem Donald Trump have? And I am still the blood clot president. Eh? Scratchy B, big up, yes. Scratchy B, big up yourself, yes. Big up yourself, Scratchy B. So me I say, the whole entire thing me I say to the people, me I say, Vybz Kartel getting crowned, Joe Bogdanovich never get Joe Bogdanovich give Vybz Kartel in crown Vybz Kartel as king of dancehall. See? And you want to tell me, say, so much entertainer in the music business, in the fraternity. You don't like being a man, you don't like Kartel. You don't love on yourself. So much entertainer in the music fraternity. Don't put up the picture of Vybz Kartel and say, congratulations, Vybz Kartel. Well deserved. Hard work and dedication. And you do it. So, big up Kartel. Kartel, a long time I tell you that, you know. Some of them in them ego, you know. Some of them in them ego. Post the wall, you know, can't be Kartel. Post the wall, you know, can't be Beanie Man. Uno and uno. I know Kartel not a problem with Beanie Man. Me can't tell you that. But me say again, I say it again. There will be no more dancehall king after Vybz Kartel. Post the wall, put that in on the pipe and smoke it. Cause it's no joke. Cause on our work. On a claim on our blood clot work. On not working. I don't give a fuck. A cartel. People, not only defending cartel. Can you imagine if Vybz Kartel never come out? And me attack it real? They would have still have me a blood clot, show me a defend him. And I say, hey, I can go and defend. Because post all if Kartel never come out and save Kartel, save Uno career plus save dancehall. I save Kartel, save Uno career plus dancehall. Because Uno done a run back a blood clot. Let me tell you what Kartel do. You see the superstar them were over foreign. Yeah. The superstar them were over foreign. Kartel make it look normal to the whole situation right now. The superstar want to be with us. We usually want to be beside them. Now we don't get a chance to be the real fucking star because our genre is the real genre. Dancehall, it birthed so much thing. It birthed hip-hop, it birthed blood clot, Afrobeat. Dancehall. Kartel come out now and make it look well sized up. You know, so Drake a blood clot. A matter of fact, Drake, no Kartel. Kartel are the baddest blood clot thing in the music right now. Him now. After Michael and Bob Marley. Him now, a Kartel. You know, you're the people that tell you why world. Watch who come from blood clot Jamaica and we are baddest thing. And we are baddest blood clotting in music this day, just now. Dancehall take over. We know say dance always have a split. It have to have a split. See? Dancehall have to have a split, you know. That's the only reason why sometimes well, the local youth and the alkaline do, it a work for him. See? Because dancehall is a fucking split. Like politics. PMP and labor right. See? Me see what I'm doing, you know. But guess what? He might do for him look aside and he might hold off him own. See? Well, who know a blood clot though? To be the next king. Eh? It's me not give them the method, you know. What to do, you know. Them already know, you know. But a one blood clot king after Kartel, there will be no more if we don't do the right thing. Let me tell you what I'm going to do right now. I don't really do dancehall and I do the genre the way it's supposed to do. You know? I do money. Money I do. And after I reach the money, that's it. You see Kartel come out, come save dancehall, brother. On the blind. And no, take up on the blood clot, take up the G picture. No, take the big G picture and put on the page, whether on the story on the page. And say, Kartel. Now you have a look at difference, you know, but I king, you know. Kartel. I don't like you, you know, but guess what? I king, you know. Kartel. I don't give a fuck, I king. No, do that. No, take up the bumbo clot G picture or anything. A king is a blood clot king and congratulate the fear of the king. Yeah, man, them drink with them. Rich is nothing right now, man. Rich is nothing. Can't look on me. I'm rich in spirit. Yo, right now, the way I come over Guan, you don't think me the richest motherfucker. So richness is not my problem. Rich in money is not my problem. Because I'm living the life. Me have a wife. I'm living the life. Me have kids. I got my family. Regardless, me not have the money we want to have. But we don't have money and still not make things work the way it's supposed to work, brother. We don't have no blood clot feelings. We don't have no feelings over the general far. Eh? You know no feelings. You know no feelings. Eh? Dog. Congratulate the G, man. Show the G some love, man. Give the G some respect, man. I dance all that, man. And as me said, the little dread boy named Dread boy, where your locks tie up round your head, go wash your blood clot locks. Me soon, you know. When you got blood clot, sit down and talk proper things or great things about the G. Dread boy, and you keep clash all the while. Why you advise, dread boy, you keep the clash all the while. Why your clash not still continue? Dirty head dread. What you dread about 3 and 4 color? Dirty dread. Dirty Rasta boy. We are talk every day like I'm not near enough to do our one. Eh? Why you doing go blood clot dye out your locks? Like when me grow up, me dye out me grey them. But dye your 4 color blood clot dread. Dread boy. Y'all keep clash. Me no Mataran vex with you. Me no Panther vex with you. Me no Trooper vex with you. I'll Springe and Angry vex with you. Base of this vex with you. Why you can't advise your clash them where you keep? Why you try to advise me? Beard. Call them, because your man didn't call me on the phone. Because she'll call me back and interrupt the line. Come in and look them and look forward to them. Yeah. I don't call me, I want to calm down, you know. But I don't want to see nobody disrespect the G, because guess what? Kartel, big up. Congratulations again. Job well done. Hard work and dedication. You do it, you get a crown. I'm just upset. I'm not upset with Beanie Man. Because Beanie Man knows that the crown I go away from him. Him know. Big up yourself, Moses, same way. I mean, no, Moses have no problem with Kartel. But people have problem with the people them will say them a DJ boy and DJ girl in our business. That them a problem. Kartel and Beanie don't really have no problem. See? Me know what's going on and me understand. See? You see when Kartel a big up Beanie Man, it's the same at half time. That's no say, I Beanie that. See? But me I'll tell Uno say, the work with Kartel put in, make sure Uno working on that because never Uno not pass Beanie Man yet. Uno not reach where Beanie Man reach. So I don't know what the fuck Uno come at that, but you think that's a kingship though? What the fuck Uno did that chat about? You think that's okay if people take up crown and give people? And the next 10 years, Uno have a fight for that crown there. Uno don't worry about Beanie Man. Beanie Man are going to be Beanie Man all these years. I know Beanie Man are the blood clot problem. Because we already know what take with the crown for him long time. Me not have a problem with Beanie. And Kartel do have a problem with Beanie. Me sure of that. Beanie just being Beanie. Nah, let go. Are the blood clot artists them when I show no love and not have no respect. Let me go into the bounty vice. Are the blood clot artists them we get up and now tell Kartel congratulations. Yeah? Uno na blood clot, uno na respect the thing. You think Kartel work when him work for be this king, it was one stone throw over the fence? Me know the work. I know the hard work. Claude Martin Brady. Martin Brady in an Airbnb here, boy. Yes. Of course, next year good. The next thing need 10 years of consistency, which is exactly the truth. You think that's a kingship go? Oh no, they're nowhere near. You think Beanie Man, he did it easy for Beanie Man pass Yellow Man? You think he did it easy for Kartel pass Beanie Man and Kartel laps him 3 times? You think he did it easy? Eh? So for be the king, I'm telling you already, and I say it again, there will be no more king if we don't do the right thing. And there will be no more king after Kartel. Remember me did tell you no. Because I know music, you know, I know dancehall business, you know. Some guy sing some little song and gets it. You know how much man sing It's Boya? Spragga Benz, you know how much It's him Boya? You never pass Spragga blood clot Benz yet. I want to know. You pass Spragga Benz yet? You pass Frisco Kid yet? Just to reach a Beanie Man. Me can ask in a blood clot something. On the pass mad cabra yet? Eh? On a chat up and a run up on a blood clot sour mouth. On the pass mad cabra yet? Eh? On the pass Praga Benz yet? On the ever pass lower culture? On the pass Frisco Kid yet? On the reach round Anthony B. I'm at a dance already. Anthony B. Big up and big up Sizzle and big up Capital. Me can talk about some people who are on a blood clot pass yet. Eh? On the pass. Eh? On the pass Praga Benz. On the pass Frisco Kid. On the pass Mad Cabra. Eh? You know who on the pass? General degree. On the pass general degree? On the pass baby Wayne? Make up go on a blood clot fox. You think it's all easy? On the pass Elephant Man? Post the wall. On the pass Elephant Man? On the pass General Blood Clot B? Eh? On the come and run up on a blood clot mountain this time? Me never send Ninja Man or Super Cat because them are general, them set trend. You know, your cartel always a big them up, them set trend. Bounty Killer, them set trend. So if you mention Beanie Man, you have to mention Bounty Killer. So I come about that. But I just tell you some people where them no blood clot pass. On no pass Praga Benz. On no pass Cabra. On no pass none of them people there. Eh? On no pass none of them people there, brother. On no pass Baby Sham. On no pass Baby Sham. Eh? On the pass Baby Sham? I want to ask you something. On the pass Baby Sham? On the don't pass blood clot Baby Sham? Eh? You not tell me nothing. You can't tell me about music. When you come with you and you come go like on the pass blood, you not get look more money more than the artist them. You don't do no blood clot work. On the pass busy signal? Eh? On the pass I don't know? On the still for work. Continue blood clot work. Wanna know? Eh? You know the work a cartel put in? You not go like on a blind and not see. Eh? On a blind? The man put in so much work. The man put in so much work. Eh? You don't do no international artist no song. You don't have no international song when you go artist. Eh? You don't write song international artist. Eh? Cartel come out and sell out so much arena and me in there. And me and Cartel in an arena make it look like we're in one blood clot. Look at dance hall. And so we make it look. We make it look like that. Me are showing the man say, arena, sold out, 20,000, 25,000, 23,000. Who sell it out? Cartel. Back to back. As a general, and I say, why? What a back? We bring Pantour. To make it look easy. Nuffy. The real MC. Drake shake me hand with it. Cartel make that happen. The 52 Cartel, anywhere brother go. The man say Nuffy. With him in my reason, the man say Nuffy. Oh, you know. Anyway, me there, you know. The man say Nuffy, how are you? We'll make them look a place that look like I will look a dance hall where we are going night time, where we fight. So them things are not nothing. Who does prove to the world so we can do it? Everywhere man going and I congratulate the man soul post soul and I couldn't sell out so much place. Africa around there wait for the man. Eh? I'm a bad mind. They big up yourself, you know. Because be a real thing, me attack. We love the youth, them, you know, but the youth them have some blood clot love in them. The youth them have some love in them. Them now no love. Be a local style and hypocrisy business them deal with when them see you come and laugh and I come talk and I come go on like them with me. Only not with me, I know. Only not saw me move. I am by a heal, no. Only not feel me, only not see me again. Come in a heal, you know. Come in a glad heal, you know. Blood clot, I don't give a fuck. Only not heal me again, brother. Blood clot, don't know. Me have a friend them who rate me and like me. Butler and Deck and Alice and all of them. I'm a friend them. Rain Goddess, big up. Ghana. The whole world are wait for me and me and Kartel make it look easy. Some things where we usually sit down and watch and I say, well, we have a reach right there. So when Beyonce and Blood Clot, Nicki Minaj and all of them started, where we usually sit down and watch something. I mean, arena, me and Kartel in the arena, we are the star now. Nicki Minaj dying for join us. Beyonce dying for join us. On a fool in a blood clot. Eh? What do you when we go on wireless? And all of the Germany show. Enough people don't know about PA system. Enough people don't know about PA system, you know. And if I teach you something, this is back in ideas. And just, I don't want to talk about, I don't want to talk about certain things. I don't look away and come here, never talk. Alright, I'm going to look at it. You remember when Sona clash? You remember when Sona clash? Listen, I want to pick up when I say, see? Kartel that wireless, Burna Boy that wireless. The show surround Drake. The show surround him. 3D. The 3D, the show surround Drake. Good. See? Alright, I want to listen to me now. Listen to me. Wireless, the show surround Drake. And Drake are the man at the show. But Kartel build on the show as the big superstar seller for sell the show. See? The only reason for foreign entertainers have more fans more than with them in a bigger state. Them live in a bigger state, Canada. When you're born in Canada, Canada bigger than Jamaica. Africa bigger than Jamaica. Listen me. Africa bigger than Jamaica. Canada bigger than Jamaica. America bigger than Jamaica. Brazil bigger than Jamaica. Jamaica are one of the states them in America. Jamaica, one of the liquor states them in America. Jamaica are one of the liquor states them in Africa. Jamaica are one of the liquor states them in Canada. Me explain so now catch what me I go say. When you have a sound system and it's the resident sound, I come clash him in him own town and in area. If you as an outsider come for clash me in my area, I can't give you the same volume and the sound when me I gonna give myself as the sound owner. One if you don't understand me, I say. So the moment we hit stage, I want to see me go out there. And me I try to put the sound system and me I tell them turn up the thing and turn up the thing and turn up the thing. Every time me have to war with them about that. It happened in Germany and it happened in wireless the other day. So when the main person forward, they're gonna set the trend. But guess what we do as Jamaican? We're a small country. That's one of the rate we self entertain and rate we self and respect we self. We're the small country and we make the whole entire blood clot roll. Usain Bolt do it. Kartel come back now and I do it. So we's a little state in one place and the whole world have to rate we. Usain make the whole world rate him. Set the record, have a record up there so everything where say them are the biggest runner. Usain Bolt lock it down. One fucking Jamaica. So now Kartel come and do it. Why the fuck you so bad mind and can't put him up on the page and say congratulations Vybz Kartel? Why you can't congratulate the G and put him up and say like why Usain Bolt and bet you know why if I want to put up Usain Bolt that you can't run. Yes. So you can't run. I want in that position there for bad mind. But most people we can go say something for DJ And if we do a little thing and it go viral, so on a bad mind cartel for the position and the space where him wall. But you can't run like Usain Bolt. You have to congratulate Usain Bolt because you know in other position they say, oh, you don't have no reason for bad mind Usain Bolt. You don't have no reason to bad mind Usain Bolt because you can't run. You can't run, so you can't bad mind Usain Bolt. The only problem was Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell and what's name? Blake. What's name again? The other one. What the other one name where did that go on like him and Usain Bolt? Where the other? Tell me now, not Asafa Powell. What's name? Cartel Elevate. Is it truth? What did you tell me the other run on a man? The next one where did I run, man? Wanna type him name for me now, man? Type him name for me now, please. The other run a different one, Asafa Powell. What's his name? The other young one, what's his name? Oh, you and Blake. Wanna catch up with a blood clots, you know. You and Blake, him did bad mind Usain Bolt. Asafa Powell never so bad, you know. But you and Blake is a man with bad mind Usain Bolt. See? So he never want to give Usain Bolt no flowers. Because him a run. Them in the same bomber clad area. Them the same thing. See? But because somehow we can't run like none of them. See now we have just like how me I say Usain Bolt, you and Blake bad mind him. And it's the truth. So we know what we say, yeah man, yeah, bad mind the G for true. See? But guess what now? With music, it's different. With music now, somehow we can go make 2 look nice and go viral and then tomorrow man we bust to make money. So we in that genre there. So the genre where we in now, the leader we're up there, some of us are going to like him and some not going to like him. You're not a natural spectator fans, you know. You're not a natural fans, you know. See, so me I show how it go. So because everybody thinks that they can go DJ and sing 2 look a song now, somehow not go bad mind cartel. Me should have look all over differently from how cartel feeding with all heap of controversy. See? The brother have so many controversial things about him. The positive one them, only not put up all the time. Only always put up the negative. See? But now we have a positive that we should show in the world that we glorify our new king. See? None of us, every man timeline and everything should have upon them timeline. Vybz Kartel, our true living dancehall king, congratulations. Every artist should have done that. I try to come out vice for us and I behave away because I know them are pussies, so you have to deal with them. You have to deal with them that way them because they are pussies. And I'm going to tell them so they are pussies and it's the truth. I want a few of them will do it. See? I want a few of them will do it. Whether they want to like it because them nice part and now them put up the part where me I get mad and have this. And them part that them I go put up in because they want to say enough to get rat and this them and rare. I don't know. Enough of that. I have a blood clot chain because I cheer for my general. And I have to cheer for the general. Because the general put me in the stadium. Nuffy in the stadium. Why? Nuffy in the stadium and arena. Why? Woo! Pussy clad. Nuffy in the arena. Me have my own room. Me have my own dressing room. I never know what it is like. I never know what it is like. Every arena. Me and Cartel and call on the phone and rehearse. We don't rehearse. I just me and Scat and TJ and J Avi and Jason go to the rehearsal and sometime Lenny. See? Go to the rehearsal and we go set the mic for Cartel, me and him and TJ and we did there and we discuss with the PA system people them and everything. And we don't do no rehearsal. We don't do nothing. We just go there, let's go fuck up the blood clad place. And that we just go do, you know. And the arena then sell off and the place shell down. And me not go try to talk. People, me not try to speak. Me just be same dirty me. Me not try to talk nothing. Me not try, me just be me. Me just be the same me. Chat how me chat and be who me be and the work. Me not try to put on nothing or nothing. Oh, me I go in the arena, so me have to change up my speech. Oh, I'm going to say these people some really? Really? So how them love we? After what we are say, I always say it. I always do it. So what the fuck me for change for? Why me must talk when me can't talk? Me not talk when me can't talk, you know. Me not talk English when me blood clot, nah, me I talk it right this and talk it this and then me broke down. No, me have been blood clot, me and done. Come in me. No sell out. Me have the blood clot me. Everywhere me go. France, Germany, Amsterdam. Everywhere me go, me just be Nuffy. You know why me be me? Because the people where you go around still, they hack. As how they hack in our own country. May be different language, or they will have a different culture, but they're going to act like how they're supposed to act as a human being. I wanna hate the fucking man where I change the game and I change the whole entire thing. I wanna hate somebody where I uplift the genre. I wanna hate somebody where I make the genre uplift and I put it up on the pedestal where it's supposed to be. Why wanna hate this man? God have to big up. Why wanna hate this man for nothing? Me don't get up in the morning and say, Kartel, congratulations for all of the entertainer them. I don't see it. I don't see this person that congratulate Kartel. I'll not find a way to wait for blood clot Kartel for me to collect more money. Congratulate the man, I am my king. I don't give a fuck, you know. Cause I saw it going on. I don't sugarcoat, no. Congratulate the blood clot, man. I'm moving a pussy clot. We care about everyone who want rich have money. Jamaica don't care about nobody who want rich have money. And Kartel will tell you himself. As my rich brother. See? Him same man will say that too. Say Jamaica don't give a fuck. You know, say, when him dip on the net and him attack, him don't give a fuck. Him don't give a fuck if him rich. Yes or no. He might be himself. I'm not saying that's him state. Eh? But come on, man. Come on now, man. Me tell you, no, say being man is not a problem, you know. And the rest of blood clad people, they must say them a DJ, you know. Yeah, no, hypocritical, no blood clad. But anyway, people. Done it, red boy. I've done it, blood clad pussy. What else am I talk about again? I'm sorry, I'm not talking about. I'm saying I can add somebody. Oh, this now. Oh, sing again. Sing again, every day forward. Every day sing again forward. Yeah, man. Bumbleclad. Happy Sunday. Alison, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Oh, sing again, look like him not tribe. Yeah, man, happy birthday, Andre Sutherland. Happy birthday, Popcorn. Yo, yo, yo. Happy birthday, my brother. Big up yourself. Yeah. Now you discuss the local problem the other day and I'll put it aside and you don't know a thing go.
Uncle,
Yeah, there you
looking
go.
at crowd.
Looking at Sunfest 25,000 out there.
Come on, man. Congratulations, man. You don't know our boss do it for you early, no, man.
I really man do it for brother.
Not remember say a regular, you know, me a your reason, you know, before the done touch road, you
Yeah.
know. I used to
Regular.
singer. Anytime the boss touch road is a game changer.
Mm-hmm.
Then,
Mm-hmm.
and dancehall being locked up for two. I no joke the day night that you been a tell them ears pan top of ears.
Mm-hmm.
You see it? You see any boy or any girl when I want congratulate Kartel, them free to do what they want to do. Kartel is the king and I decide there. And
Right.
as what you say, after Kartel, it not gonna be no more king if them no work.
Yeah, we're not blood clot work.
You see me? I mean no not for the fake blogger them. Cause blogger them in a way or vagger them or what them want name, you know. You see it? Them not talk the truth. Just as the way you say you come here I attack Ash, them are going to run with the negative part.
Mm.
You see me? Them not talk the truth, say, yo, Cartel a do it. The man a do it, the man a lift up dancehall.
To the next level.
You see me? And as what you say again, me no see no artist, me not go point no finger. Me no see no artist that put up the DJ and say congrats. Them two blood clot bad mind. Too much
No,
bad mind in a
them is a
dancehall.
wannabe. Them is a wannabe. But everybody that love Cartel give them a collaboration.
Right now.
That's
But
how
no
them
man not say
interest. And not
congrats.
only right now, from a long time.
Long time, yeah, long time. I'm correct
Because
myself, long time.
the G is a cartel who we are forward from. We're very helpful. It's a very helpful person.
True,
See? The man is a fucking superstar. So him have to do the superstar thing. Him trying best for wow. Is the only person being with the people, talking with the people, supporting the people. He is not fond of the people.
true, true, real
See?
talk.
Him himself is a fan of the people and he's the only one showing the people the real, authentic love.
True,
See?
real talk.
Whether they want to take it yes or no. But I can't understand how it's so hard for some of them just come out, go up on their live or put up a picture. Congratulations, Vybz Kartel.
Real talk, Nuffy. Too
The
much,
man down there getting crowned and me and Spice one day on the stage.
John. Me see everything what go on, man.
Where artists them there?
Me see everything what go on, Nuffy. Too much bad mind. Too much bad mind, and enough of them. No glad say Vybz Cartel, Azim, Adija Palmer is a free fucking.
I look here. Say, being a man and a problem though.
We all know that.
You know, be,
We all know that.
Be the man and a problem, Me tell them, be the man and be the man is not the fucking problem.
Real talk, Nuffy. Real
Him is
talk.
a defending crown, that's all, and I that in I know him out go with so. And say
Yeah,
nah level him out ball it. Him out ball
true.
the crown.
Yeah, come on. No, remember, say years ago, now this thing, You know the
You
music,
know,
You
he
know the
one of the
music.
problem.
And me, you said something. I'm sit down in the car, me and my brother, I'm there, I'm here listening, Coming up on the live long time, Them not pass Baby Wayne, them not pass Praga Benz.
Then the pass Praga Benz, then the pass Baby Wayne. Then the
Enough
pass
time.
Frisco Kid. Then the
Baby Sam,
pass
Wayne
Gabra.
Marshall, Bling Dog. Them not reach them on the levels yet.
No, some name where you call, me I gonna know the name what you call. When me send a pass them, it work with them man they put in and it spell with them man they have.
So,
See?
real talk.
So me now go place a person where you're not supposed to be placed.
Real talk.
Me I go place you because I know say them not pass them man. There are
Yo,
degrees some man not pass them.
look on Elephant Man.
Elephant man, them not pass them. Them not
Come
pass
on,
Ellie.
Nuffy. Nuffy. At ears, you know the music. At ears,
Yeah.
Nuffy, you're there in this thing. You studied this thing.
Of course.
Me can tell any boy or any girl you're the baddest
Them not
MC.
study game man.
Come on, Nuffy, man. Nuffy, remember saying, you are the only MC from out of Jamaica. We call me up and sit and say, sing a thing. I believe in you. Do it. Zine, Vybz Kartel, Adija Azim Palmer is the only dancehall artist that give me an exposure and a rhythm, which is try that rhythm and send
Right.
me to the world. I'm a respect Cartel for that. The only dancehall artist who ever put me on him page and say, go on a road, sing a thing. You understand?
See.
And
See.
me as the Gaza, before Vybz Kartel even built the empire, me see the man
Right.
word ethic. Cartel been a do it. The man deserve every single flowers what him forget. Him is the king of dancehall and it now go change. Is anybody wanna like that? Me now go see the rest side. So you want nothing. Want enjoy your life? Want
All
talk to the
right.
people them? Bless up
Arena.
wife and
Arena
bless up the
seller.
kids them. Bless up
Manasa.
yourself, uncle. Then
All
so
right.
come on.
Arena seller. Arena seller. Yo.
Then look
Sing
you know.
a day. Looking like crowd. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. You're not past tasty, man. For true. Oh, I think I did. Oh, so, boy. Yes, man. Alison. Yeah, man, me introduce everybody to the stage, man. We're not worried about nobody, man. Right now, we're not worried about nobody. Yeah, man. We're not worried about nobody, man. One blood clot, Gaza, man. See? All right, my people, love and manners. I'm gone left from here now.